Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to set home address in navigation. In the beginning, let's go to map navigation and next go to home. Enter stored and select home. Tap yes. And now you can select from stored contacts, previous destinations, phone book, enter address or select POI. Let's select enter address and now enter address of your home. Save as home address and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.